Hi everyone, in this video we will see how we can create a catalog campaign. So for that we will go to the menu on the left side, we will click on CRM. From the drop down we will click on bulk campaign, and from here we will click on the option to create a new campaign. Then we will select the campaign we want to create, such as WhatsApp campaign. We will choose a campaign type. Then we will give our campaign a name. Then we can select the campaign type, whether we want to keep it immediate or schedule it for later. Then we will click on next. From here we can select our audience. Then select our channel. Then we will click on pre-approved template, and from here we will click the template. Now if your template contains body variable like mine, you have to make sure that you map them from here correctly. So for example, let's map it name. Then from here you can add the product retailer ID for the catalog thumbnail. For that you will go here, you will click on the bag icon, and you can search your product by name here, and if your product is already added to your e-commerce catalog, then it will appear in the list. Then you can just simply select the product and the retailer ID will be picked automatically. So once you configure everything, you will click on next. You will preview your details, then you will save the campaign. And lastly, you can click on the rocket icon to trigger your campaign, and this is how your catalog campaign is created. Thank you.